Good morning, girls. In this session, I am going to tell you that how can you create your database by using MS Access. So for that, just click on your start button and then all programs, and then select Microsoft Office and then select Microsoft Access. It will display your page, your means first page like this. If you are creating your database first time, then select option blank database. Otherwise, if it is already created, then it will display under option open recent databases, just like this. So first of all, click on blank database, and then it will display you a text box for database name. So just type your database name here. For example, our database name is uh, student. So stud is our database name, and then click on create button. It will display you a screen like this. Clear? This screen is divided into two parts, left and right pane. And in left pane, just click on this strip and right click on this strip, and then select option design view. As you already know that design view is a view in which you can design your table, means you can decide your field names and their data types in this view. So just click on this. Then there is a small dialog box for table name. So just type your table name here. Suppose your table name is marks. So just type marks and click on OK. Then this view is your design view. The reason is, in this view you can type your field names for your table and their data types. Clear? So for marks, first of all, write student stud id कि जिस स्टूडेंट के मार्क्स हैं, and then select maybe auto number, but whatever you want. So I want auto number, and then type stud name for student name, and name but obviously in text form, and then mark for mark, suppose stud underscore marks, underscore marks, and then marks will be in number format. To just select your number data type. So you, in this table I am just design 3 columns and their data types. You can design more than one. Then click on cross button, girls. This is the end of your design view, and then when you click on this table, means double click on this table, it will display you all the columns which you have already designed, means student id, student name, student marks. And now you can enter your records, and this view is your data sheet view. So first of all, you can insert your id. For example, your id is actually is already actually this field is of auto number field. So in this field, data enters automatically, and then type your student name. It's like Ram, marks 35. Then next student name is suppose Geeta, and marks 50, and so on. Next, when you type next student name, suppose Moon, and marks 33. So this, when you enters your data in your table, this type of view is your data sheet view. then I think it's girls, it's clear to you that what is design view and what is data sheet view. Thank you.